Assalamualaikum. We are going to present about the case of Ramah binti Ta'ad against Latun binti Malim Sultan.
In this presentation, we are going to talk about the synopsis of the case, fact of the case, decision by judge, and the conclusion overall about the case. Hi and Assalamualaikum. The synopsis for this case is the appellant and the defendant were the widow of their husband who died on 1926. The deceased does not make any will on behalf of his estate before he died. The issue in this case is the distribution the estate of the deceased. The defendant claimed that the estate of her husband as harta syarikat when her husband died. During the trial, two witnesses were called to give their expert opinion about the issue. That's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone. I am Prasanna Kaiselvan here to explain more about the fact of the case, which is given by Mr. Bailey, who is the lawyer of the case. Firstly, if a man married to a poor woman and they saving properties together and in a certain time one of the partner is passed away, so the properties which they saved together will be divided into two. One will be given to the partner who are alive and another one will be decided by the law. Secondly, if two of them are wealthy enough, they are saving properties together. In a certain point, one of the partner passed away and another one is not agree with the beneficiary things of the property, they need to take promise, which means as mengangkat sumpah. And thirdly, if a poor man married to a rich woman and they are saving the properties together and at the time the husband passed away, the properties are belonging to the wife. And fourthly, in the same case, if the husband is helping to work on the land, the properties they save together, so he deserve a share in the properties. And finally, if a guy who married and saved property and in a certain time the husband passed away, means the wife will be the pensioner of the property.
In this case, the decision of the judges is the respondent is entitled to get 1/2 of the value of the deceased immovable asset at the time of his death as harta syarikat. This right is only included to the rights of the third parties under the Land Registration Enactment and Land Enactment, and this does not disturb her rights as a widow in the balance of inheritance. The expense of both parties, the respondent and the defendant, is paid using the deceased asset, and form of decision can be settled through the courtroom if necessary. The defendant then made an appeal to the Court of Appeal.
Hi, I'm Divya. Now I'm going to tell about my case, the decision of judge. Okay. The decision by judgment, the majority judge of the court that Muslim law is not foreign law. The court allow evidence to lead what is local law. Parliamentary is a separate distinct judgment, and the trial court was take evidence from Muslim law.
My name is Shamala. As a conclusion of the case between Ramah binti Ta'ad and Latin binti Malim, the determination of Islamic law, a customary law, is made through Mesyuarat Kerajaan Negeri, which is before Mufti officially established and introduced the determination of Islamic law enactment for the Federal Malay State. Harta Sharikat is known as property that has a written agreement, but in this case, the court confused by what Latin race is a jointly acquired asset, which she called it as Harta Sharikat. The above case also showed that although there were cases put on trial under the jurisdiction, Islamic law and legal opinion of experts, the Islamic law are still necessary to ensure that the judgment accurately conform with the Islam.
Hi, my name is Sharmila Mehnagan. My conclusion in this case is, in the Court of Appeal on the preliminary submissions submitted by the applicants consult that whatever the latter part of the evidence had been inadvertently given, that the court should have directed themselves without explanation of the law in their jurisdiction. The impact that happened in this case is, the first one, the implementation of Islamic law is limited in certain cases. Second one, its narrow and inferior status in Islamic law is the basis and core of administration. Under this point, there is merit diverse division of family matters. Thank you.